Look at this green sauce pasta, so creamy and saucy. I'll reveal all its secrets in this video, so stay tuned. Hello friends, a big welcome to our channel, Savarchi Bawarchi.
Prep like a pro. First up, let's prep our veggies. In one pan, boil some peas and corn until they're tender. Strain and set them aside. Now in another pan, throw in spinach, asparagus, cashews and tomatoes. Boil them till soft. Then blend into a smooth, creamy paste. You just made the base of your epic pasta sauce.
Meanwhile, chop some onion, ginger, garlic and chilies and keep them aside.
Time to fire up the flavors. Heat a pan and toss in your bay leaves, cinnamon and cloves. Let the aroma hit you.
Now add in your chopped garlic, ginger and chili for the spicy kick. Once it sizzles, throw in some finely chopped onions and saute till they are translucent. The kitchen is already smelling amazing.
Add in the boiled peas and corn. Stir and pour in that spinach asparagus paste. Stir well and add in 2 tablespoons of pasta masala, 2 tablespoons of oregano, chili powder and salt to taste. If pasta masala is not easily available, you can substitute it with Italian seasoning.
Let this green sauce simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. While the green sauce is bubbling away, let's boil the pasta. Use the leftover water from the spinach asparagus boil. Waste not, want not. Once your pasta is cooked al dente, strain it and add it straight into the green gravy. Mix it up and let it absorb all those lovely flavors for 4 to 5 minutes. Creamy, dreamy pasta is almost ready. Cheese, please add 2 to 4 tablespoons of cheese spread to give your pasta that creamy, melt in your mouth texture. A quick toss, a sprinkle of chopped coriander and grated paneer for the final pop of freshness. And there you have it, pasta perfection in a pan.
How amazing does that look? This spinach asparagus pasta is a perfect combo of healthy greens and indulgent creaminess. Trust me, one bite and you're hooked. So if you're ready to level up your pasta game, give this recipe a shot. Don't forget to like, share and hit that subscribe button for more fun recipes. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling and keep eating fabulous.